Matapos ang mahabang bakbakan, now I can say, it's finally over. I stared at the white long dress in front of me. It's really beautiful. Sis, are you ready? Malapit nang magsimula ang kasal. I smiled at him and nodded. I immediately wore the white dress and looked at myself at the mirror. I am so beautiful today. Bumukas muli ang pinto at niluwa nun si kuya na nakasuot ng tuxedo. Ngumiti ako at kinawit ang kamay ko sa kanya. Sumakay kami sa isang magarang kotse at tinahak ang daan papunta sa simbahan. Paglabas namin sa sasakyan ay tanging malakas na pagtibok ng puso ko ang naririnig ko. Ma'am, sir, dito muna kayo maghintay, sabi ng organizer at pinatayo kami sa labas sa tapat ng pintuan na nakasara. I felt my brother held my hand and whispered, "Relax, little sis," he whispered and I just nodded. "I don't think I can do this," I said nervously. I just heard him chuckled and pressed my hand once again. Suddenly, the door of the church finally opens. Sinalubong kami ng isang nakakasilaw na liwanag mula sa loob. We started walking slowly as the music starts playing. I stared at the man waiting in the altar with his signature cold and emotionless look. I can't help but to cry as I saw him standing there, waiting patiently. Our gazes met, and I smiled sincerely at him, but he didn't smile back and continued staring at me like he was starstruck at my presence. We are almost there, and just a few steps away from him. I can feel my heart beating terribly as I saw his face closer. He's really handsome as ever. "Mom, this way please." My thoughts was suddenly cut off when the organizer led us to where we belong. Here, at the audience, watching him getting married, not to me, but someone else. I roamed my eyes and saw those people who were with me in that battle between life and death. I saw Dravan. He smiled at me, but sadness is evident in his eyes. Maybe he is sympathetic to what I felt today. Now I can really feel the pain of my choices. I saw her bride walking in the aisle. I look at her and can't help but to envy her. She's smiling widely. She's like the happiest person here today. She's already at the end of the altar. Ikinawit niya ang kamay niya kay Spade and they both walk in front of the priest. My tears continued to fall as I felt my chest tightened. I thought after the war everything would come back to its places, but I was wrong. The deal is a deal, and I don't want to break that. Maybe they really love each other now and decided to get married. I'm fucking happy for him, even though it hurts like hell. I felt someone held my hand, and it was like saying that everything's going to be okay, but it isn't. It's not going to be okay, and it will never be. "I do, Father," Vanessa said. I felt my heart breaking into a million fucking pieces. "I told you I can't do this," I whispered to my brother. I felt him release my hand. Huminga ako ng malalim. I can't take the pain anymore. I know I need to get the hell out of here before I could kill myself. I stood up. I don't care if I'm getting attention. I just need to get out of here. I started walking towards the door. Nasa dulo na ako ng aisle nang biglang namatay ang lahat ng ilaw at tanging kadiliman lang ang bumalot sa buong simbahan dahil nakasarado ang pinto at bintana. There is a long silence, and before I could even react, someone covered my mouth and pulled me somewhere. Someone drags me at biglang bumukas ang lahat ng ilaw. Pumikit-pikit ako upang ma-adjust ang mata ko sa liwanag. I felt frozen when I realized where I am. I'm fucking here at the altar, facing Spade. He also looks so shocked. May tauhan pang nakahawak sa braso niya at ang isa ay nakahawak sa bibig niya. Maybe to restrain him from moving and making any noise. But I can't still understand what the hell is this situation. I roamed my gazes and saw my friends smiling at me. Dravan, Sight, Hero, Celestine, Zask, Nightmare, and Andre. And beside Andre is the bride, just a while ago. But she's just laughing and giving me a thumbs up. What the hell is this? I can't even smile at the man in front of me. I'm still in the state of shock and I'm totally clueless. Natalia Frost, do you accept Spade Knight as your lawfully wedded husband, to have and to hold, from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health? Sabi ng pare. I just stared at Spade and I don't know what to say. Father, baka nagkamali ka lang? Spade cut me off by pulling me closer and whispered in my ear. Just fucking say, I do. I gulped when I saw how serious his face is. Galit ba siya? Galit na ba siya na pinalitan ko si Vanessa? Sam, wala akong alam dito. I do. But I still answered I do. Suddenly, his cold and dark aura disappeared and smiled sweetly at me. Mas lalo akong naguluhan dahil doon. He bit his lower lip to stop himself from smiling even wider. Spade Knight, do you accept Natalia Frost as your lawfully wedded wife, to have and to hold, from this day forward? Yes, I do. He didn't even let the priest continue the vow. You may now kiss. He cut the priest once again and pulled me close to him. The next thing I know, his lips already touched mine. Damn, I'm still not in my usual state. When the day ended, tapos na ang kasal at tapos na ang reception. Sinabi nila sa akin na lahat daw ay plinano ni Vanessa at wala din daw alam si Spade. I still can't believe that she really did that. But she showed me an engagement ring. Engagement ring nila ni Andre. Damn, who would have thought that everything would end up like this? Hanggang ngayon ay hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala. Asawa ko na si Spade. Parang kanina lang, umiiyak ako dahil nasasaktan ako. Ngayon, mag-asawa na kami. All the emotions are too much to handle. Hi, my beautiful wife. Bati niya pagkalabas niya ng CR. Nandito kami ngayon sa isang hotel na pag-aari ni Spade. Hindi ko siya pinansin at nanatiling nakatingin sa labas. I felt him hug me from behind. I could smell his manly scent and minty breath. Spade, baka nabibigla ka lang. Nagulat ako nang kumalas siya sa yakap at iniharap ako sa kanya. Ano na naman ba, Natalia? Hindi ka ba masaya? Inis na tanong niya. Hindi naman sa ganun, pero is this really what you want? He held my hand and kissed it. This is more than what I want. I smiled at him and hugged him. Nakakainis? Sabi ko sa kanya. Bakit na naman? Tanong niya. Hindi man lang ako nakapaglakad sa aisle ng maayos. Hatakin ba naman ako papunta sa altar? Hindi ko man lang na-feel yung moment. Sigaw ko sa kanya. He just chuckled and cupped my face. Then, marry me again, he said. He suddenly kneeled in front of me and took out a box from his pocket. I know this is the weirdest proposal ever. Nauna yung kasal kaysa sa proposal. But then, I just want you to experience this. I really love you, Natalia. Please, don't push me away again. Because no matter how hard you push me away, destiny would always find ways to make you close to me. Will you marry me again, Natalia? I felt my tears starting to fall. Agad akong tumango sa kanya at ngumiti naman siya. Tumayo siya at sinuot ang singsing sa daliri ko. He sealed my lips with his kisses. He kissed me passionately until it deepens and become wilder. He stopped and looked at my face. I'm happy that you accepted my proposal, but for now, let's enjoy our honeymoon. I smiled and let him kiss me all night. Sa buhay, kahit anong pagsubok man ang makakaharap natin, dapat alam natin kung paano natin i-handle. Huwag tayo laging padalos-dalos sa ating mga desisyon. Dahil hindi ka bibigyan ni Lord ng mga pagsubok at hinanakit sa puso na di mo kayang harapin at lutasin. Kaya ka nasasaktan kasi alam mo na kaya mo. Alam ni Lord na kaya mo i-handle ang bawat sakit na iyong nararamdaman. At sa pag-iibigang Natalia at Spade, sana may nakuha po kayong aral. Basta mahal mo, ipaglaban mo. Sinubukan mo man isuko yung pagmamahal mo sa kanya para sa ikasasaya ng iba, pero bandang huli, kung kayo talaga nakatadhana sa isa't isa, hahanap at hahanap talaga ng paraan ng tadhana na muli kayong magtagpo at ituloy ang matatamis na pagmamahalan. Hanggang dito na lamang po mga langga, naway nag-enjoy po kayo sa kwentong ibinahagi ng channel natin at maraming salamat po sa walay sawang pagsuporta at pagsubaybay nyo dito sa ating munting channel. Hanggang sa susunod po na kwento mga langga. God bless po and take care always.